How you going, guys? Today's video is machining the valve pockets out of a 350 Chev forged piston. This engine was put together and you can obviously see the mark there from the valve hitting the piston. Now this has come apart for other reasons, but this is just something that we've found. And we're going to set up and machine this pocket deeper so we've got some clearance there between the valve and piston. Alright, here we are in Fusion 360. I'll just show you how I come up with the design to machine this valve pocket and this Chevy piston. So we just drew a simple cylinder of the size of the piston and extruded that out to give us a solid to start with. So now we had to come up with the valve pocket, and we knew that it was 23 degrees. So we just created a offset plane at an angle, set it at 23 degrees, drew in the valve pockets themselves, measured that off the original piston that we had, then we extruded that out, and this is what we came up with. So we'll just jump into manufacturing workspace, and we had to apply some tool paths. We just went with a simple 2D contour and just use the tool orientation and use this pocket as our Z height and our X to get us on the right plane, and then just use the pocket itself as the contour we wanted to follow. Now in this drop down we have the roughing passes that we checked. So we opted for a 4mm step over. Disregard the 100 step overs, that's just what I've put in there just to give it enough step overs to do the job, and then we've constrained it by the stock contour and then highlighted the actual pocket itself, so it'll only step over the amount of times it needs to do the job. Just show you the simulation. So this is what it's going to look like when it's in the machine. So it's just going to come down, nibble away at it, and then when it can get a full run, step over and cut the whole pocket. Now the customer wanted 20 thou deeper than the original, just to give it some clearance there, because it was only just touching, but obviously touching is not great, so a bit of clearance is all we need. Alright, we'll jump over and show you some footage of the machine and show you how it actually come out on the real job, and yeah.